looking for what.
Look at all this. Oh my God! Look at that. That is fucking crazy, man. Look at that tractor. That's crazy.
There ain't nothing left.
No, there's not. That was a tornado.
Up here too.
Dude, oh my God, that was one tornado that did all that. One tornado.
It's unbelievable.
I've never seen anything like this in my fucking life. I want to cry. This is so bad. Oh my God, look at that house. Look at those freaking poles. They're bent. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look at him. He's, oh my God. Yep, this was the way he was like. That's why the cops were so mad. We're coming back here. I bet people died back here. I guarantee you people died back here. There's no way they couldn't have. There's no way everybody here made that. Look at that. That is so crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. I mean, oh my God, look at those. Look at that whole subdivision over there. There's nothing there. Oh my God, DJ.
It's terrible.
Oh my God. This is like fucking straight out of a movie. Seriously. I feel, oh my God, I bet people died. This is so crazy. Don't go that way. I want to go see that. I want to go that way.
Yeah, you can do that. There's too much going on over there. That's just heartbreaking. That thing across the top of this mountain. Fire truck trying to get out.
Where at? Oh.
He's just trying to cut across. Another one.
Why are they walking around with shotguns? You see that?
That's a freaking rifle.
Yeah, are we what?
Okay.
Well, I think these emergency people are going. I'm going to let all them out. They're probably all going to clean up.
This is the base right here. This is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, this is where they set up their command center. That's just incredible.
That, you know how many, I know I want to cry so bad. Look at those trees, man. Oh my God.
Got his flag out.
What? Oh, he has no fucking brake light.
Yeah, watch out for the fire fag. Looks like they're trying to spread out and find something.
Go?
I don't know.
I thought they stayed straight.
I don't know.
Look at these power poles up here.
I don't know if I can.
Yeah, I remember passing these flags right here. That pole looks like it's just going to fall at any second.
Alright, now I have to...
Alright, this is Capshaw. I need to take a
left.
Left, yeah. Or is it right?
Well, I remember coming to this store when we left. I don't know.
Yeah, we... Stupid. I seriously have never seen anything like that in my entire fucking life.